Ndị be anyị ekele m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, Ekpa ka you subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasara maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
That's the love of God and love of neighbor. That's where everything is, and it relates to every department. We're not going to be preaching religion. We're going to be preaching understanding of that God that created us, that makes us one, no matter who you are, tall, strong, rich, or poor. It doesn't matter, it's the same God. So that's what we are aiming to achieve. And hopefully we are asking the government if they can allow us to have like a Zoom meeting with all the 40 states to be able to tell them what we've done so far and how we're going to implement that. That's where we are.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this explanation. That's good.
Yeah. She had also asked the question.
Yeah. The governors, yes.
Can you please hold? That's what I'm trying to. She also asked a question about the governors and then helping them with finance and everything. Sister, I know you are aware that we are barely 4 months. And beside the destructive or the destruction and chaos caused or created by the fallbacks, right? So those were really, really enormous. We came out into the house empty. Okay? And then we've been doing our best. We've been making a judicious expenditure with the little that we have. And then you know that the most important thing at that beginning, or still now, is making sure that the welfare of our angels are being taken care of, and then making sure that they're well placed a position with what we have. Asenaebe akaruru wani kona tokwasidia. So madana ha abobara kari utoha. So what we're doing is that, like I said, we've been very, very judicious in the budgeting that we're making and then what we have. And we're trying to manage it. So the governors are all aware. And then that is why we are requesting or asking for anyone, no fedema, there's nothing and that is why we are, telling Biafrans, to go into your heart and then do what you're supposed to do. And then our azatala azawute. What we're doing now, aina azala. And that Allah, what it requires is money. And everyone should know that this is the fact. So that is what is happening. Okay? And then we are also working on other means to help us get more support. It's one day at a time. And then everyone has to work collectively together to make it happen. Thank you very much for your question.
Thank you very much. My DPM, please, Jidekiji, God, we are all solidly behind you. Wherever we are solidly behind you. I listen to our program, every program, I listen to it. So Jidekiji. Please, permit me. Thank you.
Please go, please.
Next question. Ms. Jennifer, I have a task force. You say you are from Aba State. We need a media representative from Aba. We don't have any at all.
Okay, I'll
very
tell my
important.
governor.
Okay.
I will tell my governor.
Thank you.
Media representative. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Please,
Okay, the next person is Tony. You.
Ekpa, it's like you're just shopping in this program.
No, I've been saying it on earth. Any opportunity, I just say it out there. You know.
Thank you.
Thank you. At least that's the advantage.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Tony,
Yes.
go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you. I'm calling from Ohabrin State, homeland, the admin. First and foremost, I want to appreciate our DPM for her relentlessness and the cabinet, because she reached out to all the governors and other people at home. She's a wonderful lady. Then I have a question to ask, not the cabinet, not the DPM, but among us that ask a question. That my question is this: have any of us, all these people like Chinedu and Co and other people asking questions, ask themselves, what should I do now so that Biafra will come now, not tomorrow? That is individual question. Have they done that? Not asking DPM, this, have done that, have done that. And have you asked yourself, nobody in Biafra land, what should I do so that Biafra will come today? That is one question. Number two, all these questions they are asking, this one is not a question, but all these questions they are asking have been answered by Union, answered by PM, answered by DPM. Why are they drawing us back instead of bringing positive words forward? Where are we lacking? What I'm expecting from next time, from tomorrow, is who we call DPM. What do you need from me so that this Biafra will come today? Whoever asks that question, let the person supply whatever he needs to supply so that this thing will quicken. Let us not draw this cabinet back. Shalom with Chineke.
There were.
Tony, biko ka m jụọ gị, ọ gị nwa bụ admin ndị Ohabenyi?
Yes, mommy.
Because the name I have here is Mazi Bonaventure Amechi.
Oh, one carry the hair.
Otego Obadia, a commissioner from your state, and it has not happened. I'm putting it on you.
Did you say you gave a commissioner from the state?
Yes. No. From Ohabenyi, I've been calling them. And
you have to you have to talk with Tony, the person that is here. And then again, everyone, when you are talking with any administrator in Homeland, please confirm that first before you proceed, to ensure that you're not talking to these criminals that are pretending to be following and working for the United States of Biafra government, please.
so, Tony, can you give me your number, please?
You can take your number and
give me your number so that I will chat you up.
Okay, +254 785 78524
Yes.
7700
+254 7824 77.
No, +254 is the code.
Okay.
785 24 7700.
Okay.
Ken, what's the last four of your phone number?
My own. 8131. The one I used to use WhatsApp, and I have the one 1344.
Did you get the appointment letter?
No, ma. I told you, should I forward my email address or how do I go about with it?
No, just send me a text. Let me see, because we have a couple of you that say doing great job. Just send me a text.
Okay.
Right, thank you. Let's go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Next person is Mazi Drake. Are you there? Mazi Drake NK. Mazi Drake. Okay, maybe he has left. Okay. Mazi David Waha. David Waha. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. All protocols observed. I appreciate everything you guys are doing to in fighting for my freedom. My question first is with regards to Department of Agriculture. I would like to contribute a little I know about, although I'm not practically, I know much, which will help our people. I would like to get whom to talk to, or who can call me so that I can render my service. Then my question.
Dr. Ferdinand, are you here? Go ahead.
No, he's not.
Go ahead.
My question with regards to my ID card. I'm supposed to get my ID card when we were in Finland. It was approved and it is still approved. I have complained before. I have not received any information about it. If you go to the website, it's still approved. So I would like to know what at least the situation. If you want, I can give you the number of my card.
Is Dr. Dorothy here? Dr. Dorothy is not here, so that's the person in charge of the ID card. So you can send a text to that department.
I'm here live and direct.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I thought you were taking a nap.
My goodness.
So he was asking of his ID. We have one that has gone for printing right now. So, like I said earlier on, if you have received an email indicating that your application has been approved, in quotes, approved, then know that your ID has gone for printing. Then, if you have not received any email regarding, and not short of not being approved, please, and again, kindly go back to your applications, check the application, and see what you have not done right, and do it right, and automatically you will get approved on your application. I'm talking about the old form. But for the new form, the same thing, check back again, make sure your address is there, your right passport photo 2x2 is there. And also, when you are uploading there's no uploading of ID, but if you had the opportunity of uploading ID, make sure your make sure your passport picture is attached to your certificate. The same thing with the older form, because many people undocumented applicants have just sent in their certificates, maybe something like birth certificates and other identification documents without including their passport photo. So please, we oblige you to kindly go back, pick up those documents, attach your passport photo. So when we are checking your passport photo at the end of it, we'll be able to coincide and make sure that the two certificate passport photo on the certificate and the ordinary passport you uploaded at the end is the same thing.
Dr. Dorothy, please, I would like to give you my number because I have sent email, I have called several times. I just want somebody to confirm that because has been approved before. I would say the first day it was announced. That was the day I paid.
Okay, go ahead and give the number. She will check it later and call you, please. Just do that.
The number is BSA 49325.
You know what? Because I can't carry that on my head now. There is an email here. Please, can you just email us with that?
Please, if you can take the number, I have been emailing, I have been calling.
Okay, go ahead with the number.
No way you have been emailing without us sending your reply to your email. It's not possible. So let me get the name. Let me get the number.
Number is BSA 49325.
1 second. 493.
Yes, 25.
And what's the name?
David Nwaha. David Nwabeze Uche Nwaha.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 815-847-0343.
Can I have your email better, please? Because I've been pulling
my email is LOCI Quest. That's QUEST. QUEST Quest. That's 2001 at yahoo.com.
2001. Okay.
On the website, it's still approved.
Then it has gone for printing then.
No, I just want somebody to confirm because I've been calling. Just check it. Let me know.
She will get back to you, please. Can we move on?
Okay.
Stop writing this thing you're writing on the defense.
Should I go on?
I don't know what he means by that, please. Oh my goodness. Please, let's go on. Let's move on.
So you have to worship it by being naked.
Okay. David, somebody's gonna get back to you, please. Let's move on. Thank you. We don't have to go there for this.
Okay, the next person is Mazin Naji Stanley Onyeka. Are you there? Mazin Naji Onyeka, are you here? He just left. Okay. Mazi Drake, are you awake? Mr. X. Drake. Oh, I think he's sleeping. Next person is Christy.
There one.
There one.
Can you hear me? Okay. Good evening.
No, Mazi Naji.
Go ahead. Stanley, go ahead. Okay. Good evening, BIAFRANs.
Okay.
Just want to thank you, Madam Ngozi Rabeze, for your good work. And I say may Chukwu keep on protecting you and the whole cabinet member that is working with you. I just want to use the opportunity and to clear something to our people, because because in case our leader NNAMDI Kanu, I could remember that PM said that we can't take instruction from someone that is in prison. So them saying that coming together and coming out saying that this person you bring information to this one. Normally they should also trace back and remember what PM said during NNAMDI Kanu's case as well. So we can't take any information from someone that they are holding. So that is number one. Number two is that saying that our madam took just hijacked power. I believe that I don't think there is any other power that is higher than the COS that she's handling before. So with that power alone, she can take over from PM. So I just really want to use the opportunity and say that we should, keep on supporting this government. That if you are with your right spirit, the spirit of Biafra is in you. You would have fact in your normal dream, you will see something that is happening. Because I myself, God revealed something to me in a way, because when the whole thing was happening, then I was kind of confused. I was like, okay, what's happening? I said, okay, let me watch out. In my dream, God showed me that He showed me a lady. So it was in that dream. It was a small girl. I PM, and it was on call, making call. Then I went to him. He just pointed a small girl that should follow the small girl. And immediately I turned, and I was the one in front, but later the girl came and the front, and I was following the girl, and many people were there, was just making noise. And I said that they should keep quiet. That is look at the person that directed me, and everybody kept quiet. And me and the girl left. So already with that alone, I'm satisfied. That's why I can't deviate from this place. So I just say, Mechiko came and keep on letting and encourage you guys to what you work good doing.
There was. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next person, Mazi Drake. Okay, he's sleeping. Mazi Douglas.
No.
Oh, okay, go ahead. I forgot about that.
Biafra Suquin. My DPM.
Yes.
Okay. My DPM, I salute.
Yeah.
I was watching on the YouTube, but when I heard that your name is Nkechi, I had to jump in to say, kudos. Because for those of us called Nkechi, whatever you give to us, be sure that it's going to be like you gave it to us. And we have to make sure it is good when you come back. Then when I heard that, when I discovered that you were born in March, I said, this is a bulldozer. So, point of correction, because I won't have no go Biafra. I won't go Biafra. We are very, very well. On ground. That's why they are falling back. What you call your dog is what your dog is going to answer. We are now a nation, and because we're a nation, our army are going to be Biafran armies. No more men on the ground. Because when you call the men on the ground, they tend to fall down. And we don't want that. Then I've been hearing passport. I'm not to be able to visa. We need I need a Biafra visa. And I could remember when PM was around, he said something about the voting evidence, that you have to keep it. I want to know if the ID department are following that direction, that you have to upload your evidence of voting, that you're a Biafran, for you to get your ID. Then on that of passport, I remember PM said, keep your receipt that you used to donate in this government. Because during the passport time, you have to show the evidence that you supported. Because then with the grade 1 Biafrans, when grade 2, when they mediocre Biafrans. But when they do new compose, no to a daddy or a man. So another advice I want to give Biafrans is this. Please, Can somebody be a prime minister and acting prime minister at the same time financial secretary? And that's rubbish. That's absolutely rubbish. Biafra. No gonna football field, not jump up and down. Come on now. Who does that? Please, this is a nation. And please, DPM, because no bill.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Siwene Utenu Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the NNAMDI teacher, na Eastern Region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Utelu Niba Huko. Kifi waliku Bastamaka Yabo, Chief of Staff Hukasinirwa Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra, of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isi ka tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono Bastamaka yabi ife ngwa dado dinen